Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Coodeals. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Coodeals. So let's do the smallest one first. So this one is, well, you know, I've noticed a large amount of their diamond paintings. You can choose to the size and the shape for the picture. So this one, I'm pretty sure I chose the I chose the 30 by 60, and I do think they print these to order, so that's why it has my initials in there. So I got a 30 by 60, and I think I got the rounds. Yeah, these are rounds, just because I could see these. See, I don't know. I don't know what I get. I think I got the 30 by 60 round. So it looks like it comes with a slightly nicer toolkit. It has a white boat with the spout, and it has a pink pen with a 3-placer and a big plate of wax. And it comes with an inventory sheet here with the drills, and I got this picture. Oh, it's actually long. Tall. Well, I knew it was long. So it's these pandas. Isn't it cute? And then like the little like their stomach shows up like a heart. I thought it was really cute. So let's move you down this way so you can see it better, maybe. So, panda. This thing, okay, has only 17 colors, but it kind of makes sense. It's a very black and white picture with just a little pop of pink for the paws. I don't know if the paws are going to show up. Like, these are supposed to be their paws. So this thing has 17 colors. The symbols are my favorite ones, you know, 1, 2, 3, and then ABC there, and a drill field. A good amount of confetti in this one. The black will be easy. Black. But I thought this was cute. So it comes with an inventory sheet. It's actually huge. So if you wanted to use this for your labels, you could use this for your labels on like if you kit up, which I do, or you could just diamond paint it from the baggies, since these look like it comes in the baggies. So here is the nice color scheme. Actually a lot more brownish colors than gray, black and gray. So I think this might be some purple here. I'm guessing number 1 is, no, number 1, what's number 1? I don't know. The purple is like whatever number 1 is. Go. And this, the one that's this size, the 30 by 60 with round drills, is $11.09. But you can get this from round or square from 30 to 60 to, you could get an 82 by 160. That's huge. So they do offer the pictures in multiple sizes, which I like because sometimes you need to go bigger. I was thinking this one didn't need to go bigger since it's just a bunch of teddy bears, so we will see. All right, next one here. This one I got the 40 by 50. I think these are rounds too. Yeah, I got a 40 by 50 round. Oh wait. I forgot to measure the pandas. The pandas is 54.5. So the 30 by 60 is the whole canvas size. So usually when it's the whole canvas size, you just subtract about 5 centimeters. So, and then this is 25. That way. Just subtract 5 centimeters. So some companies do canvas size and some companies do picture size for their sizes, and this company seems to be doing canvas size. So in their measurements, just usually subtract about 5. So same toolkit. This one has 27 colors here. And I got these. I got butterflies with some flowers here. Wait, do I have the whole thing on the screen? There you go. Butterflies and some flowers. This thing has 27 colors. Still my favorite legend, the 1, 2, 3, and then ABC. Drill field. Looks pretty nice. Here. And where's my ruler? My ruler? Not my ruler, my tape measure. Move you up a little bit. Tape measure. It is about 44.5 by 35. Yeah, I thought this would be a nice one. Because I don't know, for some reason I really like flowers and butterflies. So yes, you probably are sick of seeing me just do tons of flowers and butterflies. Like my lighting is hitting it in a way so you could see it much better if I do this. So has the inventory sheet here. And I'll look at the awesome colors on this one. It's a nice color gradient here. And the one that's this size is $13.56. And you can get it from a 30 by 40 to a 90 by 120. And you can get a square or round drill. Next up, I think I got a square for this one. Yeah, I got a square for this one. Why? There. So I got a 45 by 45 for this one. So it should be about a 40 by 40 in picture size. So same toolkit. This one looks like it has 24 colors. And here it is. Let me move you up a little. I got these birds. It's like a darker color picture. So some birds here hanging out on some branches. I've noticed, I'm wondering if this picture is one of those like AI generated pictures. I've seen a large amount of them, and I'm only assuming because they have like AI generated pictures kind of have like this look to it. And I kind of feel like this is one of them. So this has 24 colors. The symbols are still my favorite, 1, 2, 3, and ABC. It just makes kitting up and diamond painting and finding the drills so much easier when it's just like ABC. And a drill field, I think looks really, really nice. There. And it's 40 by about like 39.5. So not a perfect square, but I think this one has some really nice colors. Let's see what the drills. It looks at nice colors on the canvas. So, you know, someone told me that 100 drills for squares is like 0.6 grams. So if I divide 475 divided by 3.2, because I'm thinking this is the amount of grams. So 475 by 3.2. Am I doing this right? So like 3.2 times 100. Wait, what? Wait, 1 gram is supposedly 1.6 is supposedly 100 drills for squares. So then I'm doing weird math. So this should be 500, supposedly that should be 533 drills if it's through 3.2 grams. So there is some extra. But like I said, I don't know. Oh, look at this one has such an awesome color range. Like, look at these colors. I swear I use diamond paintings just because of the colors here. And I thought, hey, this one has some really nice blues and has some really nice oranges and reds. Like, really like the blues. And if gapping is an issue, usually the dark colors, you can't see the gapping. So sometimes it's nice to choose squares that are dark because you won't be able to well, actually almost any diamond painting with the dark ones, you won't notice the gapping as much. The light colored diamond paintings, you will notice how badly or well you diamond painted that thing. So some nice colors here. And this one was $13.56 for this size, this 45 by 45, but you get this as small as 30 by 30 or as big as 80 by 80 in both round and squares. So that's the last one I'm unboxing. So this is, they're pretty big that I'm not going to be able to show it to you all on camera. So here is this one, and we move you up a little bit. There's that one. Here is the pandas. And like I said, I wouldn't be able to show it. And here's the butterflies here. So because I try to show a finish in every video, I did actually finish a diamond painting from Coodeals from one of my previous unboxings. So I finished this, a diamond painting of this here. This is actually a custom diamond painting I got from Coodeals. This is a picture that I took when I went to Victoria, so of this flower here. And I got a 45 by 55, which ends up being the picture is about 40 by 50 here. And this had 28 colors, and these are squares. I did add 3 ABs to it. Why did I write 3? Did I add? No, I only did. I don't know what I wrote here. There is no ABs, so I don't know why I put 3. So, ignore me. There. There's no ABs, but I did replace one of the colors with AB8. I replaced 819 with the AB version of it. So I thought the rendering was good. The symbols were numbers and letters. The stick was fine. The drills were okay. I mean, the canvas was okay. The drills were just normal, and they were acrylic drills. There is some gapping. This took me 20 hours and 34 minutes to complete over 9 days. All right. And I had tons of extras. Like this is all the extras, and I have some static there. There's tons of extras. So here it is. Here is actually my camera is just the right height. Did I put this in? Here is the finish here. I think it turned out actually really, really nice. You can see, here's the original image there. That's a little original image there. And I do think you can get all the details. You can see there's this leaf here. You can see the flowers. You can see the little individual leaves here. This leaf's supposed to look a little bit wet. It does look a little bit wet there. This leaf, I don't know, the original probably, I guess, wasn't that. But yeah, considering this thing only had 28 colors, I was actually pleasantly surprised how well this turned out, because I was kind of afraid it didn't seem to have enough colors. So yeah, I thought it turned out pretty nice here. My main thing, and I did add some ABs here. One of these is an AB. This one, if it'll show up. That's an AB. So the one thing is it does have gapping. And if you're like new to diamond painting, you're like, what is gapping? That's like when you could see there is spaces between the drills. And squares, what I like about squares is you shouldn't be able to see the gapping. So that's one of the things. I do see some gapping. And gapping doesn't show up as much in the dark colors. So that's why I was saying darker diamond paintings might turn out better, gapping wise, but you don't see the gapping if you look at it from far away. It's just when you're diamond painting, you can see it. So this one, if you saw my kitting up of this, I'm actually also diamond painting this a second time from a different place. I haven't finished it yet, but you will see the comparison video in a future video. But yeah, I think overall it still turned out really nice. So that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to Coodeals for sending these items. And here are the other ones in this unboxing for review. And thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!